Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Fan Art. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. For this shot I used two figures from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black series. We've got Boba Fett and Sabine Wren. To begin my setup, I framed my shot with these cinder blocks that would double as braces for this Boba Fett art piece. I've had this cool print of Boba's helmet for a few years now, and I thought it would be fun to use it as a mural, and who better to paint that mural than the warrior artist Sabine Wren. But before I could add my action figures, I needed to add some life to the set. I used a combination of decorative moss and these small hanging flowers from my backyard to fill in all the gaps. Finally, it was time to add the figures. I used a large aperture and placed Boba closer to the camera, which gave the shot a bit of depth. Lastly, I added a couple animals as a finishing touch. Here's my unedited shot. To start my edit, I tweaked the perspective a bit before adding adjustment layers for light levels, color balance, hue, and saturation. Next, I used the healing brush tool to blend in the seams before doing some dodging and burning. Lastly, I filled in all the articulation joints on the figures for an added bit of verisimilitude. So once again, here's the starting image. And here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.